What my eyes cannot see, or has the antidote to brokenness evaded me? Could I believe in what my ears have not heard, or will the suffering that surrounds me have the final word? Even on the darkest nights I know the sun will rise. I will trust
cityscapes and skylines running circles round this heart of mine. You don't know the first thing, and you don't know about me. Dreamy days and starry nights, painted canvas in a brilliant light. You don't know the first thing, and you don't know about me. Oh, it's dust, dust, dust. Dust is all we are. Oh, it's dust, dust, dust. Dust is all we are. Flicking shows most every night, muted pictures and a beaming light. They don't know the first thing, and they don't know about me. And I see my neighbor and wave hello, and we lock our doors and keep to our own. We don't know one thing. We don't know one thing.
You remind me of the season. My favorite part of you is spring. And I know there's no rush, but this ain't no ordinary crush. So the faster you fall, the longer we'll have to be in love. I'd like to smell your hair someday. I think your hair's my favorite thing. Oh, 'cause it suits you well, like an older me. When I grow into the man you need, and with all these thoughts inside my head, I don't know you well enough to be in love. This is just a crush. Oh, this is just a crush. Oh, I'd like to kiss all of your face. I wanna see you in your name. Now I don't wanna rush, 'cause this ain't no ordinary crush. But the harder you fall, the more you will know what it's like to be loved. Now we meet, I try to speak, but all I get is rosy cheeks and then a rush of blood. It makes me blush because I love that face so much. And now my heart's just weeping, but my mouth stays shut. 'Cause I know that if I tell you that I'm falling in love, you'll ask for my name, and that'll wake me up. So for the rest of my life,
strengthen all my weakness. You're the healer of my wounds, and joy instead of mourning. Teach my heart to follow you, my guide ever before me, speaking light upon my path, forever here around me. Fear won't overwhelm your love, and I know you're the King who has called me by name, from now till forever when you take me home. And Jesus, I will sing your praises, declare them in the valley, shout them on the mountain top. And Jesus, I will sing your praises forevermore.